guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this sunset cut crease. I'm going to be using the Glamlite burger palette. Starting with this sweet potato shade, I'm going to get a fluffy brush and blend it into my crease. Now I'm going to take tomatoes and I'm going to blend that into my crease as well over that orange that I applied, but I'm not going to cover up all of the orange. Now I'm going to take my Farmasi liquid concealer and I'm going to use that to cut my crease, and I'm also using a flat brush with a rounded edge just so it helps get it nice and even. I'm going to bring it up above my actual crease since I have hooded eyes and kind of just make my own crease, if that makes any sense. And then I'm going to make sure when I look straight that the whole crease is visible. Now I'm going to take Cheddar, it's a shimmer yellow, and I'm going to pack it on where I applied that concealer. Now taking tomatoes, I'm going to bring that to the outer corner and blend it into the edge of the yellow. Now I'm going to take 1000 Eyeland and do the same thing over that red. Now I'm taking a baby wipe and just cleaning up the edge to make a nice sharp edge. I'm getting mustard yellow and bringing it to my lower lash line and blending that out. And then I'm going to take sweet potato fries and do the same thing a little bit into that yellow. And then one last time I'm going to take tomatoes and do the same thing and just blend it into those other two colors and to my outer corner. I'm going to take 1000 Eyeland and I'm using that as an underbrow highlight. Just put it under my brow and blend it in. Now I'm going to take Zen Mascara and get my lashes ready to apply falsies, and I'm going to put falsies on. To finish it off, I'm going to take my Farmasi Express black eyeliner pencil and just fill in my waterline. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I really hope my tutorials are helpful for you guys. All the products I used will be listed in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching.